This is Ece and this is homework Ece6303 homework 7, question 7. So we are trying to, we have zt equal to n1 t times cosine omega c times t plus zeta plus n2t sine omega t plus zeta, where zeta is uniformly distributed in 0 and 2 pi. So nyt and 2t y-sense stationary, nyt and 2t and zeta are all independent. So we're trying to find expect value of zt. So for the question A, the expecting value of zt is equal to we can see here the zt function is here, and we can see here we just plug in, and since n1t and 2t and zeta are all independent, we can separate them since it's plus, and it's automatically can separate by 2 parts. Expected value nyt times cosine omega t plus zeta, and the expected value n2t times sine omega t plus zeta. And since they are independent, we can separate here. So the equation is equal to, the statement is equal to expected value n1t times expected value cosine omega t plus zeta, and the plus expected value n2t times expected value sine omega t plus zeta, and we can convert it to integral. Zeta 2 pi 1 over 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi cosine omega t plus zeta d zeta plus 1 over 2 pi 0 to 2 pi sine omega t plus zeta d0. So since we can do the integral for this, is equal to 0, and the final the value is equal to 0. For the B, we are trying to find RZ T1, T2, and SCT y-sense stationary. And so the RZ T1, T2 is equal to, we're trying to find is the expected value of CT1 times CT2, and we can see we just plug in the T1, T2 in the Z function, and we can see it's a long statement, and it's easy to calculate since we have already did a lot of step here. It's easy to separate the equation, so we can see we times this part and this part, and it gets the first part, and also we just exchange and reassemble them, and I guess this statement, and we can see after calculation, and we can get it's equal to R2 zeta, and CT is WSS. And for the last question, part C, we're trying to find RZ0, FCT is WSS. So RZ is equal to 1 over 2 Rn1 0 plus Rn2 0, and that's equal to this equation.